In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AI Assistant to Slack with a quick setup. Before you connect anything to Slack, start by creating or configuring your AI Assistant in its own platform. This part is important because Slack is only the channel where your assistant will operate. You'll want to make sure the assistant itself is already set up correctly. That means defining its instructions, adding any knowledge sources it should use, setting up tools and integrations, and adjusting its response behavior so it answers the way you want. This could be a custom AI agent, a knowledge assistant, a customer support bot, or an internal help desk assistant. Once that's done, test it first to confirm it's working properly before moving into Slack. Next, open the integration settings inside your AI platform. Go to Settings, then look for a section called Integrations, Channels, or Deployments, depending on the platform you're using. From there, choose Slack. This is where you'll begin linking your workspace. Now click Connect Slack. Sign into your Slack account if prompted, select the workspace you want to use, review the permissions being requested, and then click Allow. Once approved, your AI assistant will be able to communicate with Slack. After the connection is established, choose where the assistant should work. You might want to allow direct messages so people can chat with it privately, restrict it to specific channels for more controlled access, or give it workspace-wide access if your whole team needs it. Pick the option that matches how your team plans to use the assistant, then decide how people will trigger it. You can use mention-based activation, where someone tags the assistant in a message, direct messages for one-on-one interaction, or automatic monitoring so the assistant watches selected channels and responds when certain conditions are met. Next, set your response preferences. You can have replies appear in a thread, directly in the channel, as direct messages, or with a mention of the requesting user. In many cases, threaded replies are the cleanest option because they keep busy channels organized. If your platform supports it, you can also connect knowledge sources like Google Drive, Notion, PDFs, internal documentation, databases, websites, or CRM systems. This helps the assistant give more accurate and relevant answers. Once everything is configured, go into Slack and send a test message to make sure the assistant responds correctly. After that, you can optionally add workflow automations with tools like Google Sheets, Airtable, Jira, Asana, HubSpot, Salesforce, or external APIs so the assistant can take action as well as answer questions. Finally, enable the Slack integration fully, monitor how people use it, refine the assistant's instructions when needed, and keep its knowledge sources